I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle was firm. It seems like some of that there's been strong cash buying coming in and really lifted the market somewhat higher. And I think that there was that kind of underpinned the prices to move to make a new high, but it did bring in a little bit of selling. And I know that there has been more beef demand coming in, and that's strengthening the market. And we actually expect that demand to last throughout the winter time. So overall, we're looking for a market to continue to climb. Now, feeders slipped a little bit today, so that was a little bit of a tell to tell us that these trade wars are still looming over the markets, and they're kind of pressuring the feeders or the optimism from going any further. It looks like there's still no end in sight. A lot of tension still with the White House and China. No one really knows when that's going to come to an end. We know that it'll be great for all of the grain markets and the livestock markets when it does, but we're not sure when that's going to actually happen. Now, there has been some talks about really continuing with NAFTA with Mexico and Canada. That's not really come to fruition either, and that's why we saw a little bit of weakness in those that feeder market. So the futures were a little bit lower even after making a new high. So tomorrow could be that we could step up again. So we're going to watch that closely. Hogs are the big story of the day. They continue to climb higher. They actually gapped open, not a big gap, but it gapped open higher. That swine virus continues in China. That's definitely affecting all of our pork production, and to help really all of our farmers who have been hit very hard with the Chinese tariff tensions. Interestingly enough, we now know that swine virus has expanded to Eastern Europe in areas like Romania, Bulgaria, Poland, and even in Hungary. So we're going to watch that closely. Now, we don't have to worry that it's going to affect any of the humans, but it is going to affect all the hog herds. So we can expect that maybe some of those pork prices are going to go higher, but it's really going to help our exports from the U.S. And that might be a way to kind of balance out the markets a little bit because we have been hit so hard from those Chinese tariff tensions. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.